Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Land Rover Defender 2-litre D240 SE 110, finished in Fuji White exterior paint, with 20-inch 5-spoke gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include A-frame protection bar and winch, automatic LED headlights, checkers body protection kit on the door mirror there, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the bumper we can see the electrically deployable tow bar. As we're looking behind the rear door, we can see the rear folding seats, the load space cover, and the full-size spare wheel mounted on the back. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the pan roof from the inside, and the ebony grained leather and Robustec seats with ISOFIX child seat mounts, and the second row climate controls. Looking into the front of the cabin now, we have the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and the heated and cooled front seats, which as you can see are in great condition. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the heated steering wheel button with the adaptive cruise control, interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the 3D surround camera system, and as we navigate now to the heated and cooled front seat controls, as well as the DAB radio. On the centre console we can see the climate controls, the ride out buttons and the power sockets. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.